Gukajirwo Marua ma Wiyadekithia wa ruhonge rwa Wordcoin nikiria maugeti ati undu uyu ndwatabanĩrio na njira ya waragania na kuga ati ndurumirire njira njega iria yagirire ni gukorwo igikinyanirio makiaria riria mauma mbere ya kamitii ya mwanya ya mbunge ya gibururi ikoretwo igithurima uhoro uyu. Ruhonge ruru rurogoti wa data ni ruthiĩte na mbere na kuruta mitaratara iria igathikĩtwo niguo gutigĩrĩra ati data iria ciarogotwo kuma guku bururi-ini ni ciakorwo ikĩrũmbũiyo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Maina wa mucweni uma kamitii-inĩ ĩyo na twarĩrĩria riboti ĩno.
Muthako wa kinguru na kangethe gwetha mwana ari kunita muthiru thutha wa umuthi ruhonge rurogoti wa data ukaja marua ma Wiyadekithia wa worldcoin guku bururi-ini na makiria kwiranira gukorwo magathikite mitaratara iria iguteithiriria hari kugitira data iria ciakorirwo ikirogotwo kuma kuri Kenya.
Chain members on safety measures, Tool for Humanity Corporate alleged the following technical and organization measures to mitigate risks and ensure compliance with the data protection principles. Development and implementation of policies such as code of conduct, internal biometrics, processing policy, internal information security policy, personal continuity plan, personal code of conduct, incident reporting plan, encryption and partitioning of data, logical access, traceability, logging, archiving and minimizing the amount of data, operating security and protection of servers, cyber and cloud services, managing hardware backups and network security.
Ruhonge ruru rwa urogoti wa data rugukinyitie mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge igimaine na uthuthuria wa tabarĩra cia worldcoin guku thimu iria tigirwo itari thimu riari ni ona thengia mitaratara ino ya kugitira data ici kugathikwo hihi no gukorwo na njira ya gucicokia kuona cigitwo nja.
Then how are the Kenyans whose data are in the custody of the said entities going to be erased? Or how are we going to get back if you've reversed the whatever the registration that indeed you did for them? Then how are we going to reverse? Or how are we going to get back our data from wherever they took it to? I understand it is South Africa or wherever, because the information that you got or what informed you to do the cancellation should also allow us.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ya worldcoin Alex Blania muthenya wa irari mbere ya kamitii ino ya mbunge ya gibururi ni ateithĩrĩirie guthimũra thimo ino guku agitutigana hau kuona araugire data iria marogotire kuma kuri Kenya itirĩ na njĩra ya gucokio guku bururi-ini.
Of 30th of May was actually based on law. We told them to cease operation on two issues, three. One was the lawful basis, which I had said under section get me the letter for. The lawful basis is section 30 of the Act. It gives 7 lawful bases.
Makiria kamitii ino ya mbunge ya gibururi ni onanirie wendi wa kwenda kumenya kana komisioni ya data ni yaheire ruhonge ruru marua ma gutwarithia na mbere tabarĩra ciao na nio mamaheire ni mitaratara iriku yakorirwo ikirongorerio.
The worldcoin team has various partners and associates. And we did not license any of the partners or associates. The only entities that are registered, we know they have partners at Strathmore University, Sense Network Consultants.
Kenya ni moritio guthuthuria maundu muthia wa mamahiukitie riri turatura mahinda-ini ma ukuria wa technology guku gikaro giki ikirigirirwo gucokereria tariki 11 wa kenda handu-ini ha Muthingi TV. Riakwa ni Maina wa Mucwe.